Looking for the best drones with camera that are actually worth your money? In this video, I'll break down the top 5 camera drones you can buy right now on Amazon, based on real features, performance, and value. Whether you're a beginner, traveler, or content creator, this list will help you choose the perfect drone for your needs. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. V11 Mini 4K, drones with camera for adults, 4K video, 8K photo, under $249G, 3-axis gimbal, 20,000 feet FPV transmission, vertical shooting, GPS with beeper, for adults, beginner or fly more combo, 96-minute flight. This drone stands out immediately because it stays under 249 grams while still offering features normally found in higher-priced models. The 3-axis gimbal delivers very stable footage, which makes a noticeable difference when recording 4K video or capturing high-resolution photos up to 8K quality. Footage looks smooth even during movement, and vertical shooting support makes it useful for short-form content on platforms like Instagram or YouTube Shorts. The extended flight setup is another major strength. With the Fly More combo included, total flight time reaches up to 96 minutes, which means less downtime and more opportunities to capture footage without rushing. The GPS system is reliable and includes an audible beeper, which is extremely helpful if the drone ever lands out of sight. Return to home works accurately and adds confidence for new pilots. The FPV transmission range goes up to 20,000 feet in open conditions, providing a strong live video feed with minimal delay. Controls feel responsive, and beginner-friendly flight modes help smooth out movements while learning. Overall, this drone balances portability, advanced camera performance, and long flight endurance, making it a solid choice for adults who want high-quality aerial footage without stepping into professional pricing territory. Number 2. Holystone HS720S GPS drone with camera for adults, 4K video, under 249G, 5G, 2 km transmission, smart fly, follow me, 2 batteries, 42-minute flight time, auto return, beginner-friendly mode. The Holystone HS720S is designed with beginners and casual creators in mind, while still offering true 4K video recording. Staying under the 249 gram limit makes it easy to travel with, and the folding design keeps it compact. Video stabilization performs well for everyday shooting, especially when combined with GPS-assisted hovering. One of the biggest highlights is the 5 GHz transmission system, which allows a stable live feed at distances up to 2 km in clear conditions. Smart flight features such as Follow Me and intelligent flight paths help users capture dynamic shots without advanced piloting skills. The beginner mode limits speed and distance, making the learning process less intimidating. With 2 included batteries, total flight time reaches around 42 minutes, which is enough for multiple flights in one session. Auto return to home activates when the battery runs low or if the signal drops, adding an extra layer of safety. This drone is ideal for users who want dependable performance, simple controls, and solid video quality without overcomplicating the experience. The foldable design makes it easy to carry in a backpack. Color accuracy looks natural in daylight conditions. The Follow Me feature tracks moving subjects smoothly. The app interface is simple and easy to understand. This drone is a reliable option for first-time drone users. Number 3. Roku F11 Pro 2 drone with 6K camera for adults, 3-axis gimbal, 4K per 30 frames per second video, 70-minute flight time with 2 batteries, 10,000 feet FPV transmission, professional drone, auto return, beginner mode. This model focuses heavily on stability and extended flight performance. The 3-axis gimbal works together with electronic stabilization to produce smooth video at 4K resolution and up to 30 frames per second. The 6K camera sensor allows for high detail capture, especially useful for landscape shots and wide aerial scenes. Flight time is one of the strongest features here. With 2 batteries included, total flight time reaches up to 70 minutes, which is impressive for a drone in this category. The 10,000-foot FPV transmission provides a strong live feed with good clarity, making long-distance flights more comfortable and controlled. GPS-assisted features include accurate return to home, precise hovering, and a beginner mode that reduces speed and sensitivity. The drone feels solid in the air and handles moderate wind well. This is a strong option for users who want longer flight, stable footage, and a more professional flying experience without moving into high-end commercial drones. The build quality feels solid and well balanced in flight. Camera exposure adjusts smoothly to changing light. Beginner mode allows gradual control learning. Signal stability remains strong during longer range flights. This drone fits well for creators who want extended flight sessions. Number 4. DJI Mini 4K drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 10 km video transmission, auto return, wind resistance, 1 battery for 31-minute max flight time. Intelligent. This drone benefits from DJI's reputation for reliability and flight stability. Despite its lightweight build under 249 grams, it feels refined and well balanced in the air. The 3-axis gimbal provides excellent stabilization, resulting in very clean 4K UHD footage that looks sharp and smooth even during movement. Video transmission reaches up to 10 km in ideal conditions, offering a clear and responsive live feed. Wind resistance is surprisingly good for its size, allowing for confident flying in outdoor environments. Intelligent flight systems help maintain stable hovering and smooth directional control. With a maximum flight time of around 31 minutes on a single battery, it provides enough time for planned shots and exploration. Automatic return to home functions accurately and predictably. This drone is well suited for users who value image quality stability and a polished flying experience from a trusted brand. The DJI Flight app responds quickly and displays clear telemetry. Camera movements look smooth and professional. Lightweight design makes setup fast and easy. Stabilization performs well even in light wind. This drone suits vloggers and travel creators. Number 5. Skyrover S1 Mini Drone Combo with camera 4K per 60 frames per second video, 48MP photo with 8K image quality, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 39,000-foot video transmission, under 249G, auto track, 120-minute flight time with 3 batteries. The Skyrover S1 Mini is built around performance and endurance. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second and captures high-resolution photos with enhanced image clarity approaching 8K quality. The 3-axis gimbal plays a major role in keeping footage smooth during fast movements and long flights. One of the most impressive features is the extended transmission range, which reaches up to 39,000 feet in open areas. This allows for long-range exploration while maintaining a stable live feed. Auto tracking enables hands-free subject following, which is useful for outdoor activities and motion shots. With 3 batteries included, total flight time can reach up to 120 minutes, making it ideal for long filming sessions. GPS-assisted return to home and stable hovering adds safety and control. This drone is best suited for users who prioritize long flight time, advanced tracking features and high-resolution aerial content in a compact lightweight design. Higher frame rate recording allows smooth slow-motion footage. Auto tracking works well for outdoor movement. Extended flight time supports longer filming sessions. Stability remains consistent during long-distance flights. This drone is designed for users who want maximum performance.